Hello friends, in last lecture we have studied the special symbols which we use very often. In this lecture we are going to study principle of extension. So what is principle of extension? The principle of extension is two sets A and B are equal if and only if they have the same members. It means the two sets A and B are equal only if the elements in both the set are same. As usual, we write A is equal to B if the set A and B are equal, and we write A does not equal to B if the sets A and B are not equal. Let's see with the help of some example. Observe sets E, set F and set G. After observing, we can say set E is equal to set F is equal to set G. Observe that a set does not depend on the way in which its elements are displayed. A set remains the same if its elements are repeated or rearranged. I think you are getting this. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for the watching and see you the next.